Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use CATIA. Okay, today discuss here assemble point. A lecture second is discuss here and previous lecture is discuss here, and today second lecture is discuss here, and some important command is used here. Okay, assemble point. At first drawing any 3D design here. Okay guys, at first all command is you can see here easily, and missing any command 3D any assemble command, then use a at first click a tool and select a customize, and then toolbar and restore all content. Okay, and restore position. Okay, missing point any command you can see here missing point any command, then use a missing point any command, then you can see here easily on the screen. Okay, and okay, manage all command you can see here easily, and okay, this is a perfect. This command is a use here, and this is a okay, this command is also, and this is a update command is very important. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and guys, at first select a existing component, and then this is a product, and select here assemble point 1, then drawing a next draw. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this body is a fix here, this is a fix. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Zoom in. Okay, this is a perfect. And next again, this is a correct existing component, and select product, and then okay, then assemble point 2. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and part number conflict, then automatic rename is okay, this is a correct. And this is a second body is a meet a center point. Okay, and then use a manipulation, and then okay, this is a Z axis, and this body is a drag here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a drag here. Okay, easily. Okay, and guys, this lecture is second lecture. Assembly point is discussed here, and 2 point is important point is the first is coincidence constraint, and second is contact constraint. First is a coincidence constraint, and second is a contact constraint. Okay, and next command is a this command is a explode. 3 command one by one is discussed here, and this is a fixed component is a discussed here. Okay, at first this is a fixed component, and guys, this is a must command is used here, and this body is a at first select a manipulation, and this body is a perfect. Okay, this body is a perfect, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, and guys, this, and at first click a coincidence constraint. Okay, this is a close, and at first select a axis, this is a click here axis, and this body is a also here axis. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a okay, this axis is also correct. Okay, 2 axis is select here, and then first body and second body is a coincidence. Okay, this is a you can see here this orange line is clearly so here this body is a perfect. Okay, this is a orange line is a means 2 body is coincidence. Okay, this is a perfect line. Okay, this is a coincidence, and okay, again select next is a constraint, select this is a close, and this face is select here, and also this face is select here. Okay, then to body is select here, and then this is a update all, means control plus U. Control U is a perfect, and this is a perfect, this body is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct, and okay, this is a perfect, and again this body is explode, and this is a this body is, and select okay, fix selection this point, and this apply here. Okay, this is a okay, this body is a, and again select update all, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a explode command is used, and select here a fix point. Okay, this and select this point. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this is a correct, and again this body is a update all, means this. Okay, and manipulation command is used here, and select this is a this body is drag here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay guys, 3 command is discussed here, and one by one is also command is very important, and this correct, and this is a okay, this body is a coincidence. Okay, okay, this is a perfect body, this body, and again this body is a this okay, again explode means this selection this body, and apply here, this is a this body is correct. Okay, and again this body is correct. Manipulation command is used, select a YZ, this body is correct. Okay, this is a this body is also correct. Okay, and this is a zoom point. Okay, isometric view is drawing here, and okay, this is a okay, this body is correct. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Okay guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and one by one is discussed here, and basic to advanced. Okay guys, assembly command in use in CATIA, and basic to advanced learn here, and one by one lecture is coming soon, and this is a assembly point is basic to advanced learn here, easily learn here, and okay, next lecture is coming soon guys. Thank you.